are making today our gin, Levantine Gin, with 8 different botanicals that are Israeli local source. Making gin is actually very easy. You need alcohol. The only thing you have to have in gin is juniper berries. Juniper berries actually are a part of a plant, fruits of the plant. And it's give a lot of taste for your neutral alcohol that in the end are going to be gin. Beside the juniper berries, every distillery can decide what will be the local source for the taste. The only thing you can do is soak it for several hours or days, and after that distill it, and you have gin. We are the Milk and Honey Distillery, Israel's first whiskey distillery. We are producing in the heart of Tel Aviv our gin. The whiskey market is the source for the gin. Our gin, what is very unique for us, it's a lot of flavors, 8 different botanicals, and a lot of them are really strong. We have black pepper inside, and oranges, and lemon peels, and za'atar. It's a very a local kind of hyssop that you can find only in this area. Today, it's very common to serve gin with tonic. Tonic can give it a more bitter taste, and some of them are sweet. That goes great, and it's more accessible. It's more to reduce a little bit of alcohol, to make it a little bit gassy. We're going to put additional rosemary, lemon, and blueberries. You can drink it and smell it. What we say is our gin is Israel in a glass.